Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Radoslav Mikula. I come from Slovakia and I am a student of Business Academy Dudova 4 in Bratislava.
Have you participated in Erasmus Plus program?
Yes, I have.
What kind of program? It was Project
It
Memo?
was a project
What do you
memo,
mean?
yeah, it means more experience, more opportunities.
Where did you go and how long stay there?
We were in Czech Republic, in Ostrava, and we stayed there for 2 weeks.
And what kind of company did you work?
We all had vocational practice in the personal agency Winkot People, based in Ostrava, and that company specializes in the search and selection of employees and their temporary assignments, while providing a complete service in the field of personal consultancy.
What activity did you do there?
We worked in the call center. We were preparing all necessary data of applicants for a certain job position. We insert the data into the internal system. Then we had to select the right candidates. We also made phone calls with them.
Who was in charge of you?
Mrs. Krastinova, she was our tutor and she coordinated us.
Do you like Czech Republic?
Yeah, very nice city, a very nice country.
Do you feel some difference between Slovak and Czech languages? Do you have any problem with this communication?
No, they weren't any, because Slovak and Czech Republic are very similar languages because they are Slovenian languages. So we don't have any barrier there.
What did you do during your free time?
We were visiting city, Ostrava. We were in the historical center of it, and we were looking around the city. They have pretty nice nature, and we were in the zoo.
What did you enjoy most?
The most, I think, the historical center was pretty nice.
And would you like to take part in another program or go again
Yeah,
for
sure.
this mobility?
Yes,
Thank you very much.
thank you.